I think the event was I think we had almost 25 businesses who came. It was a business-to-business networking event. I don't think there was anything that we could do not better than what we did tonight. It was a perfect event to sum up. And today we are here at the Shampan at the Spinning Wheel restaurant. And what a beautiful restaurant this is. I mean, look around. This has got the vibe, this has got the exquisiteness, this has got the beautiful panache of a venue. And we as the EL Association are really fortunate that today we could host our Kent business networking event at Shampan. And we had a great time. Everyone's been very happy because they all love the venue so much. From the minute they walked in to the venue inside, having their food, all they've been saying is, wow, what a venue, Jyodeep. This is a great venue, this is a great location. And I think it just reflects the fact that we want to come back again here in the summer to have a summer event.